break the zero income. Narinig mo na ba ito? Alam mo bang may nag-i-exist na concept para ma-break yung zero income? By the way, I'm Gabby Calia Jr. I'm a high school graduate, factory worker before, and I'm not into sales. So I'm looking for an opportunity na hindi ako magtrabaho habang buhay sa pera at hindi ako habang buhay mag-start from zero. So maraming tao hindi nila alam na meron palang way para maka-escape doon sa laging back to zero. So you can break the zero income. Tulungan ako ng partnership program na to and become one of the successful business owner company. Paano nangyari yun kung hindi ako mahilig sa sales, I'm not into business, wala akong leadership, no? Because I understand the break the zero income concept, and also we have a step-by-step system na tumulong sa akin. And here's the good news, you can do this as side hustle, as part-time, di mo kailangang ihinto yung ginagawa mo ngayon. Bear with me, hindi masayang yung pagbibigay mo ng time panoorin tong video na to. So now, let's talk about how you can earn in our side hustle business kahit ikaw ay estudyante, OFW, mompreneur, dadpreneur, businessman, employee, manager, supervisor, or kagaya kong factory worker, high school graduate, you can do this side hustle. Pwede ka dito. Pag-usapan po natin yung Complan. Paano ka kikita dito kahit part-time? How to become a Sante business owner. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin para maging part ka ng ating partnership program is to buy package na nagustuhan mo or yung kaya mo. We have starter package, 4,988 pesos. Meron siyang 1 new business account, 1 infinity point. Fast start bonus ay 400 pesos. Mas malaki po yung nakuha. Product value, mas panalo ka. Ito po yung best seller. Ito po yung pang-start sa mga gustong maging negosyante. So yung una po, yung starter pack, ito po ay pang-user. Sa mga may budget for business, ito po yung bestseller, builder package. Ang halaga po niya, 15,988 pesos.
Total of 7 business accounts. Sante lang po nagbibigay ng 7 accounts.
You have 3 infinity points. Ang fast start bonus is 1,000 at ang total product value na kasama 23,000 pesos. Mas malaki po yung kapalit since pang-business siya. The ultimate package, ito po yung para sa mga medyo may malaking budget at gusto ng pang mas malakihan, we offer you the ultimate package. Ang price po niya is 88,988 pesos, total of 31 business accounts, 15 infinity points, fast start bonus of 5,000 pesos, and total product value of 127,720 pesos. Now, ito naman po ay para sa mga potential business partners natin na gustong kumita po ng dollars. Ito pong PH Global Packages, pag ito po ay binili ninyo, pwede na po kayong mag-business sa iba't ibang bansa na may opisina ng Sante and you can earn dollars. Yung PH Packages po is Philippines alone. Kaya suggest ko po, kung meron kayo nakikitang possibilities na may kamag-anak kayo kakilala or gusto nyo mag-build sa international, i-consider nyo po agad yung PH Global Packages. Alright? So, we have Global Starter Package, $150 or 7,950 pesos. May 1 account. This is for user. Fast start bonus, $10 4 boxes of Sante Barley Powder, 400 tokens. We have the Global Builder Package, $480 or 25,440 pesos. Total of 10 business account, 3 infinity points, fast start bonus of $30, 14 boxes of Sante Barley Powder. So mas malaki po yung ma-receive ninyong amount ng products. And then we have the Global Ultimate Package, 2,525 pesos or 133,825 pesos. Total of 31 business accounts, 15 infinity points, fast start bonus of $150 and 75 boxes of Sante Barley Powder. The ways to earn with Sante Partnership Program. We have the retail bonus, fast start bonus, infinity bonus, builder bonus, executive bonus, diamond royalty bonus, performance bonus, car and house allowance bonus. Pero hindi ko naman po in-expect na matandaan nyo lahat yan. Pero gusto kong makita nyo yung potential ng negosyo na to kahit part-time. I-discuss ko yung ilan sa mga ways to earn Pero pwede nyo tingnan yung ating marketing plan, yung training. We have a different set of video for that. You can also ask your sponsor, yung tao nag-invite sa inyo, paano yung pang-detail nito. No? So number one is this, we have the retail income. Kung napainggan nyo kanina, binanggit ko po yung about sa customers. Okay, up to 50% po kasi yung discount ninyo. So let's say, yung ating Sante barley powder at 30% discount. 1 box po, ang price niya po is 2,060. Pero kukunin mo lang sa office, 1,442. Ang retail profit mo is 618 pesos. If you have, let's say, 10 boxes na binibili sa'yo, monthly yung customer mo, you have 6,180 pesos income. Now, let's be honest. Yung 6,180 pesos, malaking bagay. Of course, pang loan, pambayad sa cellphone, apartment, kuryente, tubig, pang save, pang day, pang dagdag sa groceries. Ang daming pwedeng pagdalahan yan. Tandaan nyo, hindi sapat ngayon ng isang income lang. Lalo na tumitindi, tumataas ang mga bilihin. So malaking bagay po yung retail income na yan. Let's say you have 50 boxes. Binibili sa'yo every month. 30,900 pesos as extra income. Not bad. May mga kasama po kami, ang focus lang nila is mag-retail. Meron sila niyan, napakabilis kitain po dito niyan. 5, 10,000 extra income, pwede dito yan. Pero ito ang good news, yung 50% discount. May promo kami this year, 3 plus 1 product pack sa lahat po ng products natin. Let's say ang ating customer's price is 2,060. Yung 3 plus 1 po, ang magiging price na lang yan, 1,081.5 na lang po. So magkano profit mo? 978.5. Kung meron kang 10 boxes na binibili sa'yo, meron kang profit 9,785 pesos. Can you imagine that? Or 50 boxes yung binibili sa'yo, 48,925 yung retail profit mo. And let's just be honest, sobrang laking bagay niyan, tulong sa pamilya, pampadala sa Pilipinas. Kung FW ka, pang-ipon, pampagawa ng bahay, pambayad ng kuryente, panghulog sa sasakyan. And the good news is you're doing this part-time. Number 2, fast start bonus. Earn 400 to 5,000 for every activation package sold to your personally sponsored business partner. Every time na sinishare mo yung partnership program na to sa mga kaibigan, kakilala ka, mag-anak mo, or kahit hindi mo kakilala at bumili sila ng package, the company will give you commission. Halimbawa, na-introduce mo sa akin Sante Partnership Program. Bumili ako ng starter pack. The company will give you 400 pesos. Let's say ang binili ko, Builder Pack. The company will give you 1,000 commission. Or let's say ang binili ko or ng kaibigan mo, Ultimate Package. The company will give you 5,000 pesos. Itong good news, wala pong limit. At ito maganda sa lahat. Hindi mo kailangan ikaw agad ang kumausap sa kanila. Just invite them sa launching. Just invite them to watch this video. Or just invite yung coach mo or mentor mo and they will help you explain the business. At kapag nag-join yung mga potential business partners mo, sa'yo yun. Okay ba yon? Yes. That's our teamwork. So sample, meron kang 5 starter package. Part-time mo ginagawa. You will receive 2,000 pesos commission. Let's say 5 builder pack na sponsoran mo. Nag-join sa partnership program. You will receive 5,000 pesos. Let's say 5 ultimate packs. You will receive 25,000 pesos. Pag in-add mo silang lahat, ang kita mo 32,000 pesos galing sa company. Part-time. Okay ba yon? Of course. At ang good news, it's daily income. Maganda ba yon? Yes, of course. Now, let's talk about one of the sexy part ng Complan, malaking naging tulong sa akin while building the business, while sharing this concept sa maraming tao. The Infinity Bonus. Paano yan? Earn 500 for every link point from business owner activation pack sold on your left side and right side of your business account. Yung starter pack ay may 1 infinity point, yung builder pack 3 infinity points, and yung ultimate pack 15 infinity points. Let's say nag-join ka sa partnership program, meron kang left side at saka right side. Diyan mo ilalagay yung mga partners mo kumuha ng package. So let's say ako, bumili ako ng starter pack, nilagay mo ko sa left side. Si Ben, bumili ng starter pack, nilagay mo sa right side. Meron kang fast start bonus sa akin, 400 pesos ang ibibigay sa'yo ng company. Kay Ben, 400 pesos din ang ibibigay sa'yo ng company. Total of 800 pesos. Pero dahil may pumasok sa left and right side, magli-link po yan. Every link may 500, you get additional 500 pesos. So ang total na kita mo is 1,300 pesos. So maliit pa lang, kasi nga 3 pa lang kayo, nag-start pa lang naman, di ba? Pero itong good news, ako ba meron di ba kung kaibigan, kamag-anak, kakilala na possible kong ma-share ng partnership program or ng concept? Of course. Si Ben, meron din ba? Of course. So, na-introduce ko to sa kakilala ko, bumili siya ng starter pack. Ganun din kay Ben. Ako naman yung may fast start bonus. So, ano mangyayari sa'yo? Don't worry. Dahil sabi ng system, basta merong pumasok sa left side at saka sa right side, may link yan, you get additional bonus 500 pesos. The good news, hindi ikaw yung nagpaliwanag sa kanila. Might be hindi mo na sila kilala. Let's say, yung kakilala ko may na-introduce sa partnership program, ang kinuha niya is builder package. Yung nakakilala ni Ben, na-introduce sa business, ang binili din po ay builder package. Pero dahil pumasok sa left side tsaka sa right side, may link po yon at 3 links yon, you get 1,500 bonus. Yung mga yan, meron na-introduce sa business. Ang kinuha, ultimate package. Meron yan 15 infinity points. Ang link po niyan, 15 times 500, ang income mo, 7,500. And you will earn up to the infinity as long as may pumapasok sa left side and right side. The good news is this, daily income. Ma-receive mo yung bonus, kinabukasan pwede mo nang i-disperse. Right, so now let's talk about the serious bonus in our comp plan. Ito po yung builder bonus. Ito po kasi yung income na umuulit kahit po natutulog ka na. Yes, at yun po yung nagustuhan ko sa negosyo na to. Now, let me explain to you. Build your residual income by developing leaders. Earn from the purchase of your business partners under your team up to the 10th level. Dito pala, habang binibuild mo yung business mo, nag-level up ka, bonus will also level up. Let's say, sumali ka, distributor. Then meron ka na-introduce sa business, na 3, direct mo, dealer. 6, associate director ka. Pag 10, director ka. Pag 13, senior director ka. At pag 16, executive director ka. Ang kita mo hanggang 10th level. Here's the good news. We have the Quest to Expand promo. 8 lang po ang ma-introduce mo sa business directly. Ang tawag na po sa'yo is executive director. Ito po yung program natin na this year lang nilaunch. Pag nag-member ka, the company will give you 4 months. At pag naka 8 directs ka, ikaw po ay promoted na as executive director. Ganun kabilis, no? Let's say mayroon kang 5 na na-introduce sa business na naintindihan yung konsepto ng break to zero income. Isa ako sa 5 na yun. So, pwede mo mas sipagan, lampasan mo yung 5, pero for the sake ng sample, 5. 5 na-introduce mo sa business at naintindihan yung konsepto ng break to zero income. Yung 5 na yan, let's say, nag-introduce din ng 5. So, that's 25. 125 na sila. Here's the good news. Yung mga yan, hindi pa nagbebenta, bibili lang kami ng tag-isang box ng barley powder every month, you will get 79,200 pesos commission sa lahat ng binibili namin residual. When you say residual, umuulit. Hindi ka na back to zero. Why? Hindi mo na kami lahat in-educate pa, hindi mo na kami lahat sinabihan pa, but every time we buy the products, you get residual income. Para kang si Michael Jackson, para kang si Lady Gaga, para kang si Elvis Presley, na kada ipi-play yung music nila, they get royalty income. Para kang si Michael Jordan, yumaman siya hindi sa basketball lang. Yumaman siya dahil kada bibili yung Air Jordan, may royalty siya. Kami, bibili kami ng product, 1 box every month, you get commission. How about next month? Bumili uli kami. You get 79,200 commission. What if ang binili po namin 3+1? Mas malaki ang points doon. You get another commission. What if bumili pa kami ng sabon? What if sa team mo meron dyan bumili ng napkin, ng vitamin C? You get another residual income. Hindi ka na back to zero. Para kang yung mga artista, para kang rockstar. Kaya ako, excited ako sa residual income na yan. I'm not saying it's 1 year. I'm not saying it's 2 years. But habang ginagawa mo po ito, lumalaki yung network mo, lumalaki yung income mo gaya na nangyari sa amin, and you will experience the residual income kahit putulog ka na. At ang commission na to binibigay siya every 5th of the month. So let's talk about another incentive. Ano yon? We have Dream Quest. Ano po yan? On top of your commissions, on top of your bonuses, may binibigay pa ang company ng mga incentives. Galing din po sa mga points. Alam niyo po ba, na dahil sa negosyo na to, halos sa puno yung bahay namin ng gadget. We have the car incentive program. Baka mamaya dream mo din na hindi naman magkaroon ng luxury car, na sports car, pero yung simple, yung basic. Galing po sa Sante. Yung pang down and then pang monthly. And also travel. You know, ako excited ako sa travel incentive. No? So naka 15 countries na po ang inyong lingkod.
Fresh version.
Ang dami na po namin nalibot at ang lahat ng yon ay galing sa travel incentive ng Sante. Now imagine mo, no? Nagka-travel ka na, kumikita ka pa. And again, It's part-time. House and lot incentive. Naku po, isa po ito sa napakalaking tulong sa amin. So nagkaroon po kami ng mga properties. Dito po namin nabili po yung aming resort na aking wife, aming property sa Crosswinds. May nakabili ng condo dahil po sa house and lot incentive. Pang down at pang monthly, galing po dito kasama doon sa opportunity na pinakita ko sa iyo. What to do next? Kailangan mo lang po maging business owner. Ipiliin niyo po yung package na gusto ninyo.
Mas maganda po, attend po kayo ng events. Meron po kaming mga presentations para more information ang inyong malaman.
Kung gusto mo ng business, you consider the builder package. Pero kung gusto mo lang pong gumamit ng product, buy the starter package. At kung may extra fund ka, gusto mo pang mabilisan, mas malaki ang business, yung ultimate package po, no? Then, use the products. Yes. Kailangan mo gamitin yung product kasi sobrang ganda sa katawan. Sobrang ang dami niyang benefits talaga, no? Thank you so much for giving me your time. Pinakamaganda mo sunod na gawin is as the person who give you these videos, you will unlock the adventure, the excitement. Welcome to Stallion 777. Kung nakaya po na isang factory worker, shy type guy, introvert, walang alam sa business, it can also happen to you. Kayang-kaya mo yan. Congratulations in advance and see you at the top.